What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oston Cypher, back again with another video on web development. I guess that intro is very nice. We are going to use this for the video. So guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Oston Cypher, back again with another video on web development. So in this simple short tutorial, we are going to be looking at the Bootstrap Glyphicons, or setting different types of icons on your buttons, making the user's actions very simple. Like when a user comes on your website and sees a button, you'll definitely tell that this button is for deleting something, a specific file. This button is for disliking, liking, printing the media on the web page. So that's all we are going to be programming today. We are going to be using Bootstrap once again, and there are different alternatives how you can include the Bootstrap on your web page. Right now, for me, I downloaded some offline Bootstrap stuff, the ones I'll be exercising on during the times I'll be lacking internet. So I went ahead and downloaded this folder, Bootstrap, and inside it's having CSS and fonts, different types of fonts, and JS, the JavaScript. And I'm using now Bootstrap version 3, because as you can see, we are inside this folder, Bootstrap 3. And inside that folder we entered CSS, which is here. We entered CSS, and inside CSS we are having bootstrap.min.css, and this is what we are having. So that's all we be needing for this tutorial. And once again, if you want to use Bootstrap 4, I also downloaded it. You can also go ahead and download it on the internet. And the second alternative is to go and carry this CDN. You carry this CDN and paste it in your head section. So that will be the needed stuff to add or include on your website, because it will be running on the internet. For anybody to access your website, will be using the internet, and everything will be running smoothly. So guys, let's get straight into the code and learn how to create such stuff. Now let us create a div. As always, this div has to be having a class of container for everything to be responsive on your website. Not everything, but this container has some fixed width, so everything will be scaling to its width without going offset. Now, right now, if you are to review our stuff, you're having nothing on the website. Let's create some Jumbotron, where we're going to be displaying everything from, which has a class Jumbotron. Refresh this and you'll see that light gray color. Let's get rid of that stuff tab. Now inside Jumbotron, I'm going to put some h3 heading, and I will say Bootstrap. Oh, what's up with these typos? Bootstrap Glyphicons. Then save this, and we want everything centered, so we shall say text center. That's also another class in Bootstrap, and everything will be centered. So we are good to go. Let's go straight into the code. Now to create a button, write the button tag. That's the button tag, and put like. So this is going to be a like button. And if you are to see, these are the default HTML buttons it will display. But right now we shall give this button a class of btn primary dash primary, btn dash primary, and we shall be having this nice looking button of like. Now to add an icon on the button, you introduce the span tag. So the opening and closing, remember that they all have to be in between these button tags, the opening and closing. Now you give this span tag a class of Glyphicon space, right again Glyphicon dash thumbs up. So since it's going to be a like button, you have to put the thumbs up. So you're liking somebody, say Yeah, you put your thumbs up, you say thumbs up, up. Now check out this, and that will be our like button. How cool is it using Bootstrap? So when a user comes, you know whenever I click this, yeah, some action will take place. So in case you embed the PHP code behind the JavaScript, incrementing on and on. So guys, that will be your like button. Let's say you're creating a dislike button. I'm not going to copy and paste because I want you guys to follow step by step. We shall write another button tag, and we shall say dislike. If you had saved this, this is what you'll be having. That's the default HTML button. When you add a class of btn dash danger, and danger is going to make our button red, so anything that is red, there is danger. So disliking the button, that will take the class of danger. Now to add that dislike symbol, you go right ahead after your dislike word, write span, put the span tag, span. Still you give your span a class of Glyphicon dash space, write again Glyphicon dash thumbs down. So I guess you're seeing how things roll up and down. So disliking, the thumbs will be down, and liking, the thumbs will be up. So how simple it is. As you can see now, you have your dislike button. So like, dislike, like, dislike. So that's how cool it is and simple it is, adding those simple icons on your buttons. Now I'm going to show you different types of icons you can use. Now let's say you want users to print some content on your website. You can still add another button. Let's make this a link. Let's make it a button. I'm going to show you how you can also make links with these nice icons. Now this one you're going to put print, and we are going to give it some class of btn dash info. Let's save this and see. And this is what we are having, our print button. Now to add that stuff, we are going to be doing the same stuff. So you are seeing how simple it is. You write your span tag, put a class of Glyphicon space Glyphicon, and say dash print. How simple it is to do such stuff. Save and preview it in your browser, and a user will now see this print button. Are you seeing how cool it is? So in case you find yourself that the print icon is near the word, there is nothing to deal with big. You just paste that word with the span element and everything will be okay. Now let me show you some live example. You're going to add some simple JavaScript. Then we say we are going to set an event here on click dash window dot print. So this is some inbuilt Java functions in every web browser. So on click, print the window. When we save and the user clicks this, see what will happen. Our print dialog box will appear with the console, and here they will be displaying the preview. So that's how simple you can create your stuff on your website. I guess you are very happy with this if you are just starting with this styling or Bootstrap. Also showing you that simple JavaScript if you're a beginner. So you just had to add some on click event window.print and everything will be running. So that's how you can put the print button on your website and styling it using the Bootstrap. So there are very many icons. Glyphicons, I don't think we can finish them right now, but let me show you if you want to use a link. Oh, lowercase href, and here I will cross the href and I will say gallery. So in case you want people to view your gallery. Now the role of this link will be to be a button. Let's save this and see. This is how it is represented on your web page. Now to put some span tag, we give this span tag a class of Glyphicon dash Glyphicon again, so dash picture, and check it out. So you'll be having some nice icon. I told you when there is no spacing, just come back to HTML and space, and the user will know that this link is for displaying the gallery. That's how you can put the different types of icons. As I'm keeping on repeating the same stuff because stuff is very simple to create, as you can see. Right now I'm going to just copy this because almost everything is the same. So I guess I've given you some basic understanding on how you can use the Bootstrap Glyphicons. Now let me say this one is comment, and here you just put Glyphicon dash comment, Glyphicon dash comment. When you are to check this side, and the user will be seeing this icon of commenting. You can put cameras. Let me say camera. You also come here and write camera. When you are to save this and preview in the browser, you'll be seeing some nice icon for the camera. You can put home, Glyphicon home. In case you want to put a button of like power off, just come here and say Glyphicon. Write the class of Glyphicon, Glyphicon dash off. When you are to preview this, power on, power off, so you can write anything you want, displaying the different types of icons you'll be using on your website. What else? What can I show you? There is this email. Let me say email, and we put here like envelope. Save this, and this is what you'll be having. So it's not compulsory that all these buttons are going to be blue. You can play with the class. Like we had this camera, we can put success. So there are different colors you can be using. There are very many Glyphicons. We can't finish them in this single tutorial. You can put like music, and I'm going to give this class of danger, and here you just need to put Glyphicon dash music. When you have to check this, you'll be having this icon of music. So guys, thanks for watching. That's it. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can go and find out other Glyphicons. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share it on different social medias, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the button